So I just got this wall organizer from World Market that is way bigger than I thought. It's a wire organizer. Comes with like little clips and stuff as well. And I'm gonna put it over there above my desk. I'm gonna have to like move these shelves around. So I've got it hung. So now I'm gonna move this shelf. It's so dusty, I need to clean it. Up there, above these two, instead of redoing the whole thing, because I don't feel like doing that. I'm just gonna stick this up there. Alright, so I put that up there. It might be a tad bit too high, but I really didn't feel like taking these down. I kind of hung these out wrong when I hung them up the first time anyway. As you can see, I have like little paper. I need to push the paper up so that you can't see it, but it's a tad bit higher, but I'm not doing it over. So now I'm going to pretty much take the stuff that's in here, or some of the stuff, not all of it, that's in here, and put it here. Okay, so here's what I have right now. So I have my planner and my planner stickers, my pens and pencils and stuff, my notebooks that I use all the time, and then this little notepad. And I can now hang notes and stuff up here, or just whatever I need to be visible, but I don't want it on my desk. It can go in here. Loving the new addition. Alrighty, you guys, so I just made 2 candles. It's my first time making candles. In this candle, I have lavender, orange, sandalwood, and tea tree. And in this candle, I have grapefruit, lemon, orange, and lavender. So just some nice springtime scents for these. So I just got these vases in from World Market. How cute are these? They're small. So this one looks like that. And then there's this one. And this one. And then I have these with the gold detailing around the rim. One of them came broken, and then I'm missing my gray candles, so I'll have to call customer service. Okay, you guys, so I just got Sarah's here. Today we're gonna be building furniture again. You always have on your bonnet in a wubby. So I just got this. Ow, my toe. New closet. Well, it's a new rack. I'm not getting rid of this, but this is just not gonna work. Hey, wig. But this is just not working. So this has a lot more space and it has 2 bars on it instead of just the one. I got this from IKEA like 4 years ago or something. So me and Sarah are gonna put this together. These are the pieces over here. If you watched our shelf video, you know that Sarah and I are DIY queens.
Yes.
If you haven't seen that video, I will have it in the cards somewhere or at the end of this video, so you can go watch it, where we put together my shelf. This is the shelf that we put together all by ourselves. I will link the video to that. And I've started styling it. It's not finished, but yeah. Okay, you guys, here's the instructions, which, if you know from my last video, we don't need those. I am Barbara the Builder. This is Handy Mandy. We don't need instructions, but if you're not experts like we are, then you should use your instructions.
Yeah, we even got power tools.
We have power tools. Step 1.
We don't need those.
So you need this.
And you need this.
And a bottom. This is vital, okay?
You gotta hang
we have to build the foundation. We have screws. I have a pack of screws here. This is important.
Mama
You
really
can't
says I
build
choose.
this without the screws.
You picked this.
I really cheated. I just got out of the shower. I'm laced with baby powder. Do you guys remember the Vine? I fresh out the shower, laced with baby powder. Mine was amazing. Did you see that meme where it says, let me know if anyone else has seen this meme. It says, this angle is horrible.
Like a bone, y'all. But I'm in quarantine.
So there's a meme and it was like, TikTok makes me chuckle, but Vine used to have me on the floor.
Yeah.
And I felt
Big
that
facts.
right here. I was like, big facts, because Vine was it.
Yeah,
TikTok
Vine
is, I deleted TikTok. I was like, this is not for me. We need H3 screws. This is H5 and H6, so we don't want that. Really? They not individually together.
So you gotta look at what type of screw.
So we have 20 H3s. So whichever has the most, that's the one we need.
Basically
The long ones. It comes with this little Allen wrench, but like we're not. With our screwdriver, we have an Allen wrench screw because we don't have time to be trying to screw that in for 75 days, okay? Okay, so you take
She's so intelligent.
Is this the right way?
It gotta go into her.
I'm saying when it lays flat, this way or this way. I want it to go
this way.
You never know. Back up. You too close to me. Actually, you need to turn around. Because I have to screw it in. No.
What do you mean? I have to turn around.
You have to hold it. Or you screw it since you're on that side.
Yeah, give me that.
That was funny.
I was like, what? I have to turn around.
We are professionals, guys. DIY queens, like we said.
Yeah,
DIY queens.
It's like, the screw is like too big.
What?
Just like the screw won't. Watch out. Let's see. It probably would have been easier to do this.
See, this is why you have to leave stuff like this to the professionals, because we can figure this out. You might not be able to do this at home. See that?
Kind of unscrew it. There we go.
Okay, now put it back.
Okay.
Mistakes have been made, but that is a-okay. So now what we're gonna do is attach this. All right. We have established that this would have sucked to do with an Allen wrench. So buy an electric screwdriver before you buy this, or else your arms will hurt. That could be your workout. I mean, I guess if you look at it like that. Call in a reinforcement, Andrea, because this was like, this with one person is not happening. Like, if you get this, make sure you have somebody else to help you. But we finally got the bottom together. We had to call in Andrea. We might need her again. Update on the shelf. We have this bar connected. The bottom is complete.
This side's almost done.
Yeah, the top is all that we have left. So now we're gonna do that. So we've got the shelf. It fit. It's way bigger than I anticipated. But I love it. But you guys, we put the shelf together.
Took like an hour.
She's in there, she's done. I have a lot more space for my stuff. And then video coming soon, decluttering all this crap that I have. Okay, so this is in place. Tomorrow I'll film a video of me going through this stuff, that stuff, and all of this to declutter and organize. This, so far, me like. And I'm so happy that I don't know why I never thought to put my laundry hamper in there. Yes, I need to do laundry, I am aware. So we're gonna go through clothes in there, this and that to get it all organized. So you guys, it's Cinco de Mayo. So mom made these nachos and we have toppings over here. I've already started making my little burrito. We have some shrimp, some rice, and then black beans and corn and some Beyond Beef, that's what it's called. Here is my burrito. And we've got the nachos. Sarah and Andrea have margaritas, watermelon. They're obviously non-alcoholic. Watermelon Ritos. Canada Dry instead of vodka. Or tequila, not vodka.